Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Susan, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning, then I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. Oh, I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days and I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought that I'd see you again. Now won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just got to see me through another day. My body is aching and my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Whoa, I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days and I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought that I'd see you again. Been walking my mind to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, about to turn your head around. Now there's hours of time on a telephone line, talking about things above, sweet dreams and flying machines in pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days and I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again now. Thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time around now. Thought I'd see you one more time, Suzanne. Ooh. Oh, thank you very much. Thanks. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to Joe's Maplewood. My name is Al.